listen to it for a little bit.
Is it gonna hush?
It's looking, it's protecting it. Good morning, friends, or whatever time of day you are watching this. It is a beautiful June day, and we are off to a start. I'm gonna say a start. It was kind of a rough night with the little guy, so we all slept in a little bit. I didn't get all of my typical morning routine stuff in, but I got to go out and enjoy the beautiful flowers and the sunrise, and it's a clear, bright, sunny day. It's supposed to be 80, I think, today. Kids are already outside just playing, picking some of the dying peonies. I got breakfast done, dishes cleaned up, laundry going, and ourselves all dressed and ready for the day. So I'm excited to bring you along on what this homemaking day as a mom of 3 has. All the windows are wide open. You can hear all the trucks going by. I have a meal I'm going to make for a friend. I've had some pork slow cooking through the night, so I gotta shred that. Made a pan of brownies last night. Gonna make some cheesy hash browns for them and take that before lunch. She had surgery, and so I'm part of a meal train that I am bringing that meal to her for. And then we get to do some rummaging in a local small town later this afternoon with a friend. It's always nice to go rummaging and thrifting with a friend, right? But I gotta work on this meal a little bit, get outside with my kiddos, get a little one down for a nap, and just keep rolling with a routine for the day. So I got my cheesy hash browns done. I don't usually use canned cream of whatever soup. I make it homemade, convenience factor, or shredded cheese. I shred that myself too, or store-bought hash browns. So some people eat a little different, and I know that's kind of how they eat. So, and I know they'll enjoy that side dish. And then I made about 15 pounds of pork and had it cooked through the night, and made some pulled pork because we'll have some. I made some buns last night for them. And banana bread too, I guess, for like the breakfast the next day. So I have pulled pork I'll do for that family, some for us, and then some for another event I'm making a meal for over the weekend. So just thought I'd do a big batch cooking of the pork and just get it all done. So that is in there in those 2 crock pots that you saw me shredding, and I just love how easy it falls apart. It's such a simple recipe I use. I just use like 4 cloves of garlic mashed, the liquid aminos instead of soy sauce, and then chicken broth or water. I mean, really, either way. And that's like a third a cup of the liquid aminos and half a cup of the water or chicken broth or whatever bone broth you have, and pour that in there. It gives it that really good flavor, and that's it. And I cook it overnight, so it makes the house smell really good through the night too. So I'm gonna that is done. I gotta finish getting the brownies out of the pan, and then I'm gonna pull some weeds out, friends. My little guy is napping, and the girls are gonna go color out on the step. And unfortunately, it looks like it might rain. So we'll see if this thrifting thing, a rummaging thing, happens later today. I'm hoping, because I enjoy a good rummage sale, especially a small town rummage. But we'll see what the day brings. You wanna rock? Yeah. Are you going back for the stairs? Coloring. Good. Yep, I'll gladly read it to you when I'm done. Oh, that was the prize you won?
Yeah.
Ah, there now, isn't she?
We get 4 and 5. I might be 7, 10. How old when I turns 5?
How old will you be?
Yeah, when I turn 5.
You will be 7, because you're always 2 years apart, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Different bird.
No, that's the same mom bird.
Oh, it flew away.
Yeah, but it'll come back. Maybe it's gonna go get some food.
It did come back.
Amazon boxes are the best. So I got everything in here pretty much. I got the cheesy hash browns, brownies, buns, some banana bread for their breakfast. I gotta grab the fruit. I'll set that in here. And the pulled pork is right over there. I made a bouquet of flowers. This one's my personal one, but we're gonna return some books to the library too and run a couple of errands, and we are gonna head out the door. Marvin the Mighty Monkey moves toward the mark on the map to meet the mysterious magical meerkat. Chester the cheerful cheetah charges to the checkered flag, cheekily chasing Charlie the champion. Well, the clouds have rolled in and it is early afternoon. I think we're still gonna go rummaging, but we just might not like walk around the town like I was planning. Kiddos are down for nap and quiet time. I'm going to finish my coffee from this morning, relax. I've been listening to some Agatha Christie books. I love mystery books. And so I just thought, why not do some audiobooks since I haven't been actually opening a book as much as I would like. So I'm gonna do that. We dropped off our meal before lunchtime for the family and they were very grateful, so I'm glad I got to go visit and she appreciated the flowers. And then we had our lunch and got the kitchen cleaned up for the next meal because it'll be kind of pushing it close to time of when we get back for supper from when we were out rummaging. So right now I got to do a little bit of church work, listen to my book, maybe fold a little bit of laundry, do some little editing, things like that. So just doing some daily tasks that I do during nap time. Oh, go look out there. So nap is over. I got a little bit of stuff done.
Oh, the bird went away.
No, but the nest is still there and maybe it's getting food. So there's been this bird's nest that I tried to kind of show you guys right outside my kitchen window, and this bird has been in there chirping all day and it's not in there right now, but we'll just keep an eye on it because it's right outside this window. Anyway, my husband came home from an appointment he had and brought me a coffee. He's been very busy in the evening, so hasn't been around as much. He's been helping out renovate the church parsonage actually. So a nice latte, and so I'm not going to be making my typical own latte, which was wonderful. And then he brought some donuts for his employees and for us, I guess. And it's actually donut day, I realized, so I'll share a little bit with them. And then we are going to go rummaging. It looks like it's clearing up. It might even be a little sunnier, but yeah, I'm excited to go out and do that here shortly. Actually, I wonder if it's got little chicks in there and it's feeding them. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay, we are back from rummaging. There weren't a whole lot of rummages, but it was still fun. I spent $9 total. I got 2 items. First one I'm excited about is this kerosene lamp bottom. I spent $2 on that. It's just cool. It's kind of my style, like that crock, you know? And my friend got 2 kerosene lamps, $1 a piece with tops. So she's gonna give me one of her tops. And then I wear these all the time. You've probably seen me in them. Some new Chacos. So I spent $7 on these. If I don't keep them, I will sell them because they would sell really well. They're in like mint condition, maybe worn a couple times. They look like they're maybe a little bit like a half size small for me, but they're in such good condition that I could not pass up a Chaco for $7. So now it's about 5:30, supper prep time. The pork is in the oven. We're gonna do some organic French fries that I ordered from Azure to go with it, and then roasted broccoli. So we're gonna eat a little bit later than we usually do. We usually eat like 5:45, 6 o'clock, but that's okay. Girls are just watching Daniel Taylor on my laptop right now. If you haven't followed me for a while, in January, we got rid of our TV that was right there. And so we haven't had a TV in here for 6 months now, and I love it. I love how it looks, the aesthetic. We're not ones to have turned on the TV a lot anyways. We just did a lot of playing games, talking, or if we needed to look things up, my husband would use his phone or his laptop, I'd use my laptop. So we do watch shows sometimes on like Amazon Prime, just on our computer, set it on our coffee table. We don't need a big screen that's in your face. That's how I feel sometimes. But anyways, enough about the TV and whole ordeal. I need to get supper going because everyone's gonna get hungry soon.